Hey guys, so today I finally received my package from Tabby, and this was sent to me in December, so it actually took quite a while to arrive, but here it is, and I'm just gonna go ahead and open this package. So the first thing I got is this mini cheeky lemon, and I believe this isn't really a lemon, it's a half orange, and it smells really nice, and it smells just like mandarin oranges. And you guys can't really tell, but it is pretty slow rising, and I will go ahead and take it out of its packaging.
Okay, actually I'm going to try to take this off in front of the camera, so let's see, so it's supposed to do this. It's what I see in videos. Oh, and then, I see, so, okay, I have to remember this so I can put it back later.
So here it is in its net packaging. Oh my god, it's so soft. Oh, I can feel it. I don't know why. I think there's like a hole here. But let's see. Wow. It's so slow rising, and it smells amazing too. And these are the details of it. It has like 2 seeds in here, and then the little slices over here. So it's actually really out of its packaging now, and you can see the little monkey right here, and it's super textured. I love this so much, though it was super pricey for such a small orange. I would say it's not really worth the price, even though it smells amazing. And then the next thing that I got is this Chaohwa Fish squishy in the pink color. So it's in a really nice packaging. There's some, this is the Chaohwa dog in a fish, in a taiyako, and this is the bow on it, and it comes with a paper holder. It is really slow rising, and I just can't wait to take it out of its packaging to look at it and smell it. So here it is out of packaging, and I gotta admit it is a quite a weird squishy because it's like a fish with soft serve on the top, and as you can see it is super slow rising. I absolutely love it, and here is the classic Chaohwa sign. So the reason why I got this is not only because it smells like strawberries, but also because I had one of these in a store before, and it tasted so good, so I wanted one that was in a squishy form so I can remember it. It's super textured, and I love how slow rising it is. And this is the strawberry part, and indeed it smells like strawberries if I haven't mentioned it already. I just absolutely love this squishy. The last thing I got from Tabby is this Chaohwa soft serve with the crepe in the pink color. So I did have it in the purple color, but I wanted it in the pink as well. So it says soft serve, and it has all the caution labels, and it says do not eat. Package number 2643. And this is kind of broken. Oh no, it's stuck to the squishy. What should I do, guys? Will it break? I'm so scared. Oh no. Okay, wait. I'm just gonna relax, calm down, talk about the squishy, and figure out what to do. Okay, so... Oh my god, it's so slow rising. Just like the purple one I got. But internally I'm still worrying about this sticky problem right over here, but here, let's just review this squishy for now. It's not rising, and I don't think I'm gonna wait for it to rise because it's just gonna make the video much longer. So it's super textured just like the other one, the purple one I showed you guys previously, and so is the crepe part. It's super soft, and it actually feels like an actual crepe, and I'm just gonna go ahead and smell it. And it smells like the Fluffy the dog. Everything smells like Fluffy the dog. It smells sweet, and this is not my favorite scent, but it is an alright scent. So I'm gonna try to figure out that sticky situation guys, look, I'm like slowly moving it, hoping it won't ruin anything. I'm praying to the gods of the squishies. Praying, praying. Please do not break. I'm slowly peeling you off. Oh, okay. Let's see. Are there any squishy residue on here? Nope, just dust. Okay, I think we're good, guys.
We put this back together, and we got ourselves a cone. If I can do it correctly. There we go. Now you stay here, and never move again, okay? I don't want you to stick on this thing anymore. Here we go. Oh no, it's so sticky. Okay, I'm just gonna try for those out, and that will probably be the end of my video.
So thank you guys for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you did, please give me a like and subscribe for future videos. And for more fail squishy openings like this one, if you like them, please subscribe. I hope you guys have a great day and see you soon!